if you're looking for a drop top that's not going to break the bank, take a look at this one. 1998 Ford Mustang convertible. Vibrant red in color. 3.8 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does blow cold on this one. 98 being the SN95 body style. Now, as far as the paint goes, you can see it has a nice luster to it. Are you going to find imperfections in it? Yes, this is the original paint. Car has not been repainted. There's a few touch-ups, a few rock chips that have been touched up or scratches kind of in the front here, if you can see that. Nothing real major. And again, nice car that the top goes down on that's not going to break the bank. Clean Carfax. Original miles. So no accidents indicated on the Carfax. And I've been around this too with the still pictures. And it looks like all the little VIN sticker tags are in the correct places and on this car. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the original alloy wheels. Goodrich radials, which are in nice shape. Previous owner of this car had it for quite some time. Mustang fans, and this is kind of their baby. Original AM FM cassette player, and also the CD mounted down below. So automatic transmission, cloth interior, bucket seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power top, spoiler on the rear. Of course, 96, 97, and 98 all had the vertical slats on the tail lights. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended warranty, so feel free to consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. We also have technicians that go through an inspection list on our vehicles that come in. You can also go through that with your sales associate if you call in or email. I know it looked like most everything was in working order on this car, including the AC that blows cold. You can see up and down the side of it, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Just basically a fun summer car for the folks that have owned it before. Let's go ahead and start this up and take a look at the interior. We're going to run the top up on it also, so you can see the vinyl. So it'd have the tan vinyl top with glass rear window. There's your power windows, power locks, power mirror controls on the door panel. You can also see underneath the floor mats. As you can see, I have them in now, but if you look in the still pictures, you're going to be able to see underneath the floor mats. The one thing that I will tell you, the seat color in this video and some of the pictures, it's tough to get a good idea. The seats are actually more of a camel color and aren't as light as they appear in the pictures of the video sometimes. So want to let you know about that. The seats are actually close to the color of the steering wheel. It's just the way the cloth reflects the light and doesn't really show the true color as easy. All right, let's fire this up. By the way, there's your miles, 82,638 is it? No warning indicators on. Dash is in nice shape. Get out of it so we don't have to listen to that dinging. Tilt column, of course. All right. Slip around to the back. Does not have any crazy exhaust on anything like that. Typical 3.8 liter. Now what I'm going to do is I want to pause this a second. I'm going to pop the hood open. I'm also going to run that top up so we can kind of check out both things at one time. So give me a second, get that done, and we'll check it out. All right, hood popped and top up. So first of all, let's check out this engine bay. Do have a battery disconnect here. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, 3.8 liters. See how smooth it runs? Everything looks stock. Don't see any real modifications. When I was talking about those tags in each of the panels, there's the one in the hood. Take a look. Here'd be the one in the fender. Look straight across. You can see the one over there. Also, underneath the doors, you'll see them in the pictures, one in the trunk. So it appears to be all original sheet metal on this car also. Nice smooth running engine. Again, about 82,000 miles on it, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles. Now, saddle colored interior, or excuse me, top. Now, as you can see there, if I get back away, you see what I'm talking about in that interior. It's not cream or washed out like you see in the other video that, or earlier video that I was doing. Same color as the top, more of a camel saddle color. Nice shape. Don't see any rips or tears over here. Nothing really even for discoloration. Glass rear window. Seams all look good. Around to this side, yes. Nice shape. And again, this is a vinyl. It's a nice, durable fabric for these tops. Sort of what it came with new. So there you go. SN95 body style Mustang, 1998. A little over 80,000 miles on it. Looking for a drop top. Won't break the bank. Vibrant red, nice looking car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. Is going to take you right to our website. See the pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.